Hi, I'm Joel Levine, President of RFMW. It's great to be back at IMS for another exciting year. Our booth this year features top products from world-leading manufacturers on the RFMW line card. We've handpicked standout technologies from nearly 50 suppliers, showcasing the best in RF and microwave innovation. Today, I'll highlight a few new suppliers and some key products. Then you'll hear more from a few members of the RFMW team. First, a warm welcome to 4 new suppliers joining our line card: Empower RF Systems, Finwave, Quarterwave, and Sonoma Scientific. Empower RF Systems is a U.S.-based innovator in high-performance solid-state power amplifier solutions committed to delivering reliable, power-efficient, and cost-effective RF solutions worldwide. Finwave offers highly differentiated, scalable RF chips for demanding environments, including high-power RF switches and upcoming RF power amplifiers. You'll hear more about Quarterwave and Sonoma Scientific in just a moment. Across the booth, we featured standout products from leading suppliers like ED2, Marki Microwave, Menlo Micro, Microchip, Narda-MiteQ, Qorvo, P1DB, pSemi, RFMW Engineering, Smith's Interconnect, and Spectrum Control. For instance, we showed an impressive 18 to 86 GHz CSP double balance mixer from Marki Microwave and pSemi's PE42448, an Ultra CMOS SP4T RF switch operating from 10 MHz to 6 GHz, optimized for 5G massive MIMO and hybrid beamforming front ends. Now let's hear more details on a few of these from our team.
Hi, my name's Colin Field, Business Unit Leader at RFMW, and I'm here at IMS 2025. I'm excited to introduce one of our new suppliers, Quarterwave. Quarterwave is a young, innovative company, and they've got a mission to make wireless technology smarter, more reliable, and ready for the real world. The team at Quarterwave carries a wealth of technical expertise in its specialist field of antenna design, and they have a true passion for the creation of innovative antenna solutions for applications in agriculture, industrial applications, and connected cities. Quarterwave specializes in compact, high-performance antennas tailored to meet specific customer needs to deal with real-world challenges. They enable substantial gains in performance over off-the-shelf solutions, creating advantageous solutions for our customers. So I'd like to introduce you to a new product from company ED2. ED2 is a specialist in advanced packaging technology, and they utilize that technology to integrate features of single components into a multifunction assembly. In this particular example, we're looking at an 8-way bandpass filter which operates from 2 to 18 gigs. The product incorporates the switches, the filters in a small form factor 9x9 package, and this particular device has switching speed of 20 nanoseconds and can handle up to 1 watt CW. The filters can be configured for custom applications as needed by yourselves.
Hi, so I'm Tim Daniels, I'm with RFMW, and our live demo here is showing a 700 watt power amplifier for long pulse S-band radar applications. Long pulse radar systems make use of a swept frequency pulse or chirp and use pulse compression in the receiver. Pulse compression seems magical. It improves the signal to noise ratio by compressing the lower power long pulse into a shortened higher power pulse to provide the same radar resolution, essentially providing the same spectral power density as a high power short pulse radar. This demo is based around the CLS3H2731L-700 from Amplion, which is a 700 watt GaN long pulse transistor amplifier. It covers 2.7 to 3.1 gigahertz, but there's also another part that can cover 3.1 to 3.5 gigahertz in the same series. It's specified at 300 microseconds, which is far more capable than competing products, and has been recently released to production. We've already seen a huge interest from our customers because of this capability. We've also got a Sonoma Scientific circulator on here. Sonoma have an extensive knowledge of RF ferromagnetic components, and we're very excited to have signed this line. They have experience in producing S-band radar circulators and isolators, and all their parts are designed, produced and tested in the US at their factory in Nevada. There's also a 30 dB directional coupler on this board from TTM Technologies, and this has 20 dBs of directivity and provides a sample of the RF power for power measurement and monitoring.
Good morning, my name is Tobi Hambach with RFMW. I'm our supplier business manager for Qorvo. And among many other things today at IMS, we are showcasing some of our Qorvo featured products. One of them being the QPF 5001, one of our most successful TRX X-band chips that we are selling a lot, and that's doing very well in the market. Our other featured product today is the AWS 103. This is an X-band beamformer IC that Qorvo is able to offer now with the recent acquisition. Basically what this is combining the beamformer capability and putting it all together in one nice package with the IT capability that Qorvo offered before. We also have on display today the GaN RF biasing products from Qorvo. Among others, it's the ACT 41000 and the ACT 43850. It's an RF point-to-load regulator. In addition, we have the ACT 43750, which is a negative gate bias, basically a power-up, power-down sequencer and an auto calibration device. There's a reference design included in the RFMW exclusive on both of these parts, the ACT 40000 and the ACT 43750. It's called the RFuW, which combines the functionality of the ACT 40000 and the ACT 43750 to provide clean, regulated power up to 24 volts to the gain of the PA while controlling power up and power down sequencing. And the auto calibrator feature adjusts the gate drive voltage, level to match, optimize IDQ current for the given gain of the PA. Also featured is the ACT 43X 50 PCK CB1, which combines the ACT 43850 and the ACT 43750 to provide the same functionality as the ACT 41777 and the ACT 43750 REF1 for the GaN PAs with a gain voltage up to 55 volts. For more information on our featured suppliers and for everything on our line card, please feel free to visit rfmw.com.